Hi, good evening. Welcome to Vegan Cooking at Hildred Cafe with my sweetheart Hillary, me, and Jem. Tonight, we're going to show you how to make the hummus. Well, I've been living in Bahrain for 6 years and I never tried making hummus while I was there. And when I left the country, I began missing it. So I did a little bit of research about how to make the hummus. Here are the ingredients that you need for the hummus. You need to have a chickpeas, and the chickpeas you need to soak it overnight. After you soaked it overnight, you cooked it for about an hour until it's completely soft. 2 tablespoons of cumin, garlic cloves, a half cup of lemon juice, 4 tablespoons of olive oil, 4 tablespoons of tahini paste, and last, you need a paprika. So let's go ahead and start, and we're going to pour the cooked chickpeas.
Hey, cut it out.
1½ cloves of garlic, half cup of lemon juice is enough, or a little lesser is also fine. Olive oil. Okay, and we'll start processing it.
Whoa!
Now, if it's a little dry, just pour a little bit of water on it. Not too much. Pour a little bit of water.
Help me!
Okay, just keep on checking that it's not dry and there's no lumps around. If it's still too dry, add a little bit more water on it. Just keep on observing it. Okay, let's check it again.
Hey, cut it out.
Check for any lumps and add some salt to taste. Okay, check again for any lumps. Yum. And needs a little bit more salt. Okay, as you can see, this hummus it looks like it's already in a good consistency. It's a good paste. We are ready to pour the tahini paste. And let's try it again. Wow. Okay, here's our hummus. And you're just gonna pour paprika on top. Done. And here's our hummus. Yay, it's ready.